Anyway, welcome back. Check your time right now. 8 minutes dog waka leave 10 a.m. already on this very day, the 20th day of May 2024. Money runs not come to an end, but before our backyard promise with Nedu will kickstart, you know, so we must cross the bridge now. Nedu did the building already. The one and only Doings man in the building.
Doings.
We'll get the return Barbie. Returning Barbie.
Thank you so much.
All the way from far. Now, not Africa. No,
East Africa.
East Africa. Far East Africa.
Where for East Africa?
Mauritius and Seychelles.
Seychelles.
Seychelles. Yeah.
You love Seychelles, have you?
My second time. I go there last year.
You go there.
Seychelles now the best place. If I want to go anywhere, go rest. It's either I go Seychelles or I go Seychelles.
I hear according to them, say they are babes there.
Then they don't classify themselves as Africans.
Yes.
And they tell
because you know why? They're the mixture of Indians, Spain.
Now I tell
and
the
whoever
people who colonize them plenty.
Yes,
German,
German.
French.
So they be mixture. They speak Creole.
Yeah, Creole.
So they are mixture plenty. So if you see their girls be like
too.
their girls
they be like
mixed, be like half caste. Natural. All the girls is natural half caste.
Yeah.
Like what we would say as natural.
And even some of their guys too. Yeah, they have the black Seychelles ones, and they have the white Seychelles ones too.
Yes. And then another place again when it be say their women fine die.
Ethiopia girls are fine.
Cape Verde.
Cape Verde.
All this one be like say all the island for Africa when they all this small their women.
Do you know the population of Seychelles not reach 200,000?
No, it don't pass now.
It don't pass now.
700.
Oh, it don't go 700,000.
Yeah.
Now Nigerians don't go there. Go to give them
700,000.
And the whole country they on top.
Islands.
Yeah.
Now more than 100 islands they there.
Yours they go. And their waters.
Very
you get water where you go to see the rich ground.
Yeah, you will see the sauce.
You go to see this everything, the fish with they swim, you go to see them.
Yeah.
You get one boat where we take swim that time recently.
You do
transparent boat. I did snorkeling.
Hey.
Transparent boat. You go all the see
everything under.
Then you feel swim pass under.
Yeah. You did swim with dolphins.
Yes.
That's another long.
You play with dolphin. And they push you.
No, they don't push you.
Man, show you. The place where you stay.
Yeah.
The restaurant first of all. Now you know get need to go out.
Everything yours.
Le Meridian. You understand? For that Le Meridian, they get 7 restaurants. I be 5 restaurants. So you go wake up in the morning. There's okay. Then here you go eat.
But they don't give you buffet.
Buffet.
Give you buffet.
Buffet now normal now. Once you don't enter, first of all, they will give you either depending on this thing, champagne or normal orange juice.
No, they first me that towel.
Clean your hands.
No, now the Meridian you stay.
No, that Hilton I go.
Oh, okay.
And they first give
the Meridian is the Meridian.
You cover your face when you want it.
No, they first give me the towel when I just come to. They very cold.
Okay, so to wash up your stress.
Yeah, to calm me down from the stressful journey.
Because they know say the reason why you come their country now say they come from where pressure want keep people. So that they give you that towel. Me if you wash your face, say come.
Wash your sins away.
You don't go wash. You go just play some.
No, that thing na.
Cool you
so
down.
they wash your reality off.
No, they wash your sins away.
Say now you are going to be here in the next maybe 2 weeks. See us as we are, so that when you go back to your country, you know there is difference.
As me now. As me
all
is.
that they do.
Yes.
I tell you that when I go Mauritius, the man will pick me.
I never go Mauritious before.
Mauritius too is fine,
but my family don't go
their
Mauritius.
water no clean as Seychelles. The man will greet by the tell to his daddy. I dey expect I will just shake this man. Say oh thank you because now they wait for me as driver. See what happen. Oh yeah, try shake me again.
Yes, no.
Yeah, they tell them. So now culture shock me that because when they come from now, you feel say you supposed to shake man.
You almost put in lip for my lip.
You get place where you go. Men they do. Men go na forehead.
Yeah.
Na culture.
Since that say go first punch the person before.
No, why I talk so that say from where they come from, I know they used to that kind of greeting.
My brother,
so getting there.
Hey, Alpha.
If I go get punchy, I go tell like, oh sorry, now culture shock. I'm so sorry, no vex.
The number of whites where they Seychelles.
That tourist place now, so they like go relax.
No, they even live there.
Yes, they live.
Now
them don't. You know say as years they go by,
more people
they
moving.
increase. More people they
and you know what most Nigerians they do security,
and some they work for beach.
Now security, most of them.
The men are.
Nigerians.
Nigerian
and Nigerians when they go there, and Nigerians when they say they just gather like 2-5. Men they just come out from Nigeria for their mind abroad and abroad.
Yeah.
As long as they're not in Nigeria.
But they end well now, right?
And their teacher rupees bigger than ours now. Their currency them big pass our own.
I didn't know.
It don't big pass.
Yeah, because you say 46
it don't big pass.
Rupees like
rupees,
Indian rupees.
Yeah, it don't big pass our own.
Now 5,000.
Now 5,000.
45.
For just 45.
And that one be like coin. You get. So anyway, so when you the truth is say I know they like use no. I know they like use my country to make compare it to other country because the system
Uganda was
Uganda problem don't take.
Because I meet one girl for airport and she was asking me, I didn't think I'm fellow Nigerian. I can't say, so where are you from? They say, no, I'm not Nigerian. I'm from Uganda. I say, oh, because Uganda. He said, our money is. She used the S word.
Yeah.
You know, their own money.
He said,
Nigeria is good. I like meeting people from Nigeria.
Because they know say they spoil them.
They know say that one is not today.
Continent, na Nigeria men spoil
every women around the world.
Na Nigeria men
every woman around the world likes Nigerian men
because we get doings.
We get doings.
The one is joke.
No. So, see. Now Nigerian man be the best way go carry you. He just can't greet him for the first time.
He go leave money with you.
Where you want to try for my London.
No.
What did they do you now? I'm not mention London again.
Sorry, no vex.
What do you?
No.
People when they manage.
London like this, not like this. Akagom.
People when they manage.
He say we be Akagom.
Not like this. London. No.
See, they lock their accounts.
Like this.
Because life there not easy. So every of your pants mean a lot to you. So you know what you use and they
if you not go work one day, you affect your rent.
So nothing like rich man for London. You know they rich just they comfortable. You continue to work and be rich.
The day when you not work, you don't become homeless.
Exactly.
So going back now, as you mentioned Uganda, I remember the new policy by UK now to the return
to Rwanda.
Because they all look which African country they useless. Where people say
this
in terms I understand.
No, Rwanda
not useless. In terms of say, they possibly they return them back to their country. So which country go just easily accept them? Because let me say, if you be African country, why they want to return your people? You agree to such a deal.
Rwanda na place things they very expensive also for Rwanda. Very expensive. Now also. Then they use it. Then they send them there. Maybe not some kind of bilateral agreement. Then get with.
They want dump them here.
Apart from dumping,
we start starting by
on the
start before the end of this year.
On the south side they talk. On the south side they talk. The thing is, you not go just carry good dump there. Now the Rwandan government first of all, they have to benefit something.
Like Azalian, what do you call that thing? What do they do for Italy when you go enter immigrant? What do you be that immigrant camp? What do you call that? Asylum, right?
Asylum, yeah.
So those people get paid.
So the benefiting now is okay. Your workforce, your labor, this thing is possible now. People
from the people when they return.
Yes, now you go to work for that. This and that. In turn, you go to pay tax back to the government of Rwanda.
Now I explain to you within the happen. We no want to accept you. I will not want to send you back to your country.
So when you go there, when life hard for
only you by yourself. Hello, you know the economy of Uganda right now.
Not Uganda.
Rwanda. Now it's better. Rwanda is a better country.
But you know the economy. It's not stable.
It's harsh. Now, but it's still better than a lot of countries. Now, the country where you go now, they go welcome you. Now Japan. Plenty.
But it's hard
that,
to get
no, Papa, they don't welcome you now because some states, some tribes, they go extinct now. They say in the next 20-30 years.
I saw that report, but they said it was lies.
No,
it was false. It was fake. I mean,
not be fake.
Say that they welcome people to come to impregnate their women to.
Their women, their population.
I saw the report, so it was fake.
My brother, go research, go read well about them because the thing is for me, if I say anything for social media, I know they believe them. I don't believe, even if person come outside, if Kudus now goes to social media and say, they shoot me gun, no see, I know they believe them until I check extra because if he be saying a skitty, they do.
But you also understand, say, if that thing are really right, you know if you carry your children come out, the children remains their citizen. If you decide want to go back to your country, you know if you carry the children.
They don't get two nationalities.
So what's that?
Not only when you reach there.
They want users.
Not only when you reach there, now you go know whether they work or not. They work. And they get waiting people don't they celebrate now even for TikTok.
What's that?
White men don't they celebrate marrying black women because they go say then go show you picture of before black wife, after black wife. You go see say they don't buff, they don't arrange, they don't trim, they don't. They trend for TikTok now. There's a lot of things when they be say. Normally,
because of the way we take our women take care of them.
You see,
now almost the same thing. The way all those women also like Nigeria.
Yes.
I think that the same way all these other countries.
Before I be the thing say white men know they like coffee girls. Now my friend where they there, they tell me say me I sit down there. Say
and they like them.
They say they call her bunda.
Yes, na bunda na be bum na bunda na.
Bunda. They say I love the African girls with a bunda.
But I also feel really they go like them because what he made them necessary
they don't like
do surgery.
No,
Baba,
before
if
you get there
we want travel, we want go UK. May your travel, you go bomb, you get bunda, can't get Manchester. My brother, that girl 2 weeks.
Nobody will know.
Even this my friend, and different.
Everybody go to buy different things for them.
And white people, I say,
white men go to rush because my brother, you know what I mean? You get food for front, you get food for back. And now we scarcity of food day.
Bunda.
For this Tinubu economy.
The Kim Kardashian will start and don't go remove her own.
Yeah, I'm not going to talk again. Okay. We're not talking Kardashian before Mata can come off from Mataya's hand.
Oh, yeah. I don't tell you, say we get one Mata.
Shout out to Portable. Don't renew new single. Yes. Spider-Man.
I believe you say you go do another one. You know, so after that first arrest, as they release and I release that one. So they can't re-arrest and get for the assault on police during that particular encounter. They don't release them yesterday now. He never dropped new song. Because on top of every of your experience, they drop new song.
And all those songs where they drop, they
enter. Portable not talented artists. No talented
Let's say
artists.
no understand. Yeah. Portable, every Nigerian artist leave pride for corner. Yeah. Look Portable style of promotion. In style of Portable day your face every time. 247. He tell you say I'm not the man of the year. Every year na my year.
Yeah, I remember for that your interview on
yes. Every year na my year. He knows what he's doing.
Why you go bring Spitality for you?
Spitality don't come now.
I don't do since now.
You like to wait to say if you want concert, if you want snap picture with time, you go pay 5,000.
Yes, or
if you want to make pie, you're gonna pay for make pie.
They ask us, they will be the best artist in Nigeria apart from Davido. He said, did he mention say Davido not the best artist? In fact, with this video,
with all these people in our life,
now he be the best artist.
Let's be honest. The name where you call yourself now, others go call you.
Yeah.
If you see the self-confido,
now they tell you the name. Nobody get confident reach Vico.
Vico, feed that.
Now if I go back Vico when say one type of musical, because I don't want more lose a gem like that. Oh yeah, just more rap. You get one story, just more you get rap.
All right, so you get one young man. We talk say he dey angry with his wife. He say when my wife disclosed her salary at 70,000 naira back in 2023, I never questioned it. Naively, a modest earning prompted me to shoulder the bulk of the house responsibility.
On the normal, as a man.
Unaware of the intricate web of deceits that had entangled our marriage. He said when they born their second born, say discussion about getting a car. Come say maybe she buy a car, blah blah blah. He said despite in reservation due to financial constraints, she can't offer say she go get a loan from a friend so that they go fit contribute to buying of the car. He say he agree. He can't take the money from him, top him to the money where he gets to come buy the wife a car. If say her Facebook account can't they act, and she can't tell her husband to make the husband help her retrieve the account. He say they tried to retrieve the account on her phone when email notification dropped match pay slip. Say to in shock, his wife's salary na 500,000 naira. He said the feeling of betrayal, disappointment.
From 70,000. Let me say she lie about the 70,000.
Yes. Say now he consume am. He say how much she earned didn't bother me as much as what she was using that money for. He say he can't decide to not confront her immediately. He could do discreet investigation. Yes. He say he can't begin by examining her interaction with her closest confidants, that is her friends. Although he say he find little of significance from that particular investigation, but he can't enter into conversation with her elder brother through the lady phone. He can't discover say the wife just buy land. In fact, she don't almost finish building big house, a building project. He said her brother lost his job and was I do. So my wife even gave her brother money to buy a car to start Uber. He say every week the brother too, they put money into their accounts.
They remit.
But they split the money. He say come become evidence say his wife was financially stable. Yes. Yet she pretended to be financially strained, relying on only my own income
to survive,
to take care of the whole family. He said the next morning she can't notice say they give him attitude. Say he can't ask him say waiting happen. What have I done? What have I done?
What have you not done?
Say he can't answer. He say you bought a land, you started building, and you never told me.
Shocker.
A shock was noticeable. And she can't ask her, who tell you?
Hey,
say can't they say your brother? Say she can't silence. Grabbing with the revelation. Say he can't say, why would my brother tell you all that? What were you people talking about that warranted him telling you that I bought a land?
She don't change the goalpost.
Just wait, you go change.
Because I said I don't know. You can go and ask him. Say because she won't come hear the truth. She can't sharply pick up her phone to call the brother in front of his husband. He say the brother can't shout. Say you claim that I mentioned my sister owns a building. When did I tell you that? He can ask them. Say isn't it true? Are you not overseeing a construction project for my wife? He can say, when did I inform you about that? He can say, don't be waiting the ask. Is it true or not? So after the argument, he can tell them, say, he go through his message, through his wife's message, and he see all the pictures where review the different budgets and the money where you don't send to your wife, then the house budget, the house project they send them everything. He can say, as a man, would you be happy if your wife did this same thing to you? Because in your brother they married. Say he go there happy. He can't say me no verse. Say he no even know if his sister tell him or not. Say he's there unaware. He said the wife can't remain speechless about the situation. So to cut the long story short, the guy says since that incident don't happen, say he's thinking of divorcing his wife.
They do. I know say you get, but I want your state one thing until we realize say marriage is a business that you go into with the hope of making profit from that partnership. But while you are doing that, you dey think for your own side. Which other small business if you set up when you feel fall back to in case that one
no work.
And the mentality when most people get now be that, but we not agree talk about that. Is marriage now say you they come as me and you they come, you they look what you want benefit from me they look for what I want benefit from you. But why would they try to achieve that? Me too, they try look for something. In case this one not work, what am I going to fall back on? This is not me. They try justify the actions of the woman. But most men also do this. Most women also do. Now why most men not go tell their wife they are real or true finances. They look at what I earn. Not let me just say few men do or some men. Let me use what some men. The same way some women, because for their mind, I not trust this guy. Even though say I dey married to see, we dey use the word trust like say it dey easy to trust people. It's not easy. You feed the person 20 years, 50 years, you not go trust her. So based on that, you dey try do something. Say if this man mess up the room, may I couple just arrange something. I don't want to put head on this. I don't want to put head inside this because if you fail, you don't finish for me. So most partners they act in that way. You fit to say the woman on day far extreme because of that now you can't put body on top the husband body. Which to an African man that is not really a problem.
If this man saying lie. How can you say you are earning 70,000 naira?
So guess what? 500K. He gets some men self. How is the woman who tell this is what I plan to do? That's okay, no problem. Yes. Show me one build house in your name. I know my brother, his wife, so my brother-in-law, his wife don't finish his own house now. On top of his name, he buy her name, her papa name, build and finish. I say no problem. Do it in your mind. You get me. I me can call and say, my brother, that one don't secure yourself. You know secure yourself because now you they pay school fees of 3 children. You not get you now see they stay rent and now you they pay the rent. for your
But
presence.
when the woman build their house finish, are they going to move into the
No, you want to put her for rent. You get. So now I try to make you get your own arrangement now. Secure yourself too, because this one don't secure itself. Until you come, they say, don't be like, okay.
But you don't need to person to tell you that kind of thing before you know. No?
You know, no. So Nigeria,
Nigeria or Africa?
African men in general, as far as so all of us know the main focus of a man now to provide and to protect. So they take pride in doing that. Even when they do otherwise for their presence, as far as they do that thing when they own you, they don't get problem with her. You get me? And so maybe they're going to try to think extra, and then they're going to say, okay, let me do this.
But as men now, does this thing where happen warrant divorce?
Okay.
Does it warrant the divorce?
The truth is, for a man, and it different in different people. But one thing they common for every man wants respect. Every man wants make the woman the respect him, and that respect, what does that respect entail? The respect entail even when the man not there, make you see they give him a respect. As the truth, take it or leave it, that man don't lose respect where she did. In respect, not they again for the girl brother side. Imagine
if be like betrayal.
Exactly. If you not respect her, you respect the man for where your brother did. Imagine with the woman friends. Her friends go no say she did do all those things now, and it goes a long way to say the woman get to the point. I they try think where the guy they think from, and I go also think where the woman they think from. The guy feel the thing and say, so this woman now, I be say at any point in time now, if anything feel happen now, she not saying, I beg you, I don't they cover. You want go get out.
Get out.
You understand? Because she don't dey okay on her own. What thing they make most women still stay for marriage? Now because they not get transport money to come out.
No, you too commonizer now because the man they provide which she never feel provide for herself. And that's why you notice the moment you see a successful woman, marriage not be focused for her. Because now waiting man supposed give her, he don't they give herself. So it's no longer a thing when you need to consider.
You understand?
If you not come.
Why you also the things that when most women can't come up for this climb, come on live our wonderful country Nigeria, go outside. When they don't see the right way they get, then go begin lord over
the
man. So I not blame the man for going through all that thinking when they think, feeling say he want divorce because he feels betrayed. Now too often they do this thing. Now you they build a house. Or the house when they say then they say if you say na rent, they rent them.
Na rent.
Oh, na rent they rent them. And you get the way we thought to build a house, to do everything. You not do them. I thought now together we're not supposed to do this thing as a family. But you don't divide already because you don't divide them. What in the when they marry, she be they say together to become one. For better, for worse, for richer. Or you now don't with your own divide them. So I not blame the man for thinking that way. Divorce. But has he gotten it reached to the point? If he not rich, but the truth is, if you tell the man make the man stay for marriage, the man go stay. But if you don't break the trust of a man inside your head, the affection, the love way they give you not gonna be the same thing again. You not get what you want to do from now to tomorrow.
Probably if that marriage to remain and the man feel not they take care of the things when they normally now you go they withhold
information self, you go they withhold finances self. So the money way in they give 100%, you go begin half 50%. Because himself go they keep for himself just in case. Not knowing that both of them see. Which is what I tell a lot of people. Marriage na project.
Every project.
Now the project when if you say the marriage be about, it be like triangle. You dey ground, you dey ground. The marriage 9 day up, 9 supposed to be one they look up as the project. No matter what thing they happen, the children, everything about now they look up to. Una go die to una self, and then is about the marriage. But these days, everybody, even the society, economy, don't make everybody think about their own. Now, for the woman part now, the woman now feel they think, say, this man now, if you don't they carry girl outside now, tomorrow now, if you don't come outside, come tell me say no, they do again.
Or if you want to talk to another picking day outside, they will share inheritance.
Exactly. If you come outside now, tell me say you get another picking outside now, more can share inheritance. I beg go make her secure myself and my children.
What I explain to you from the beginning. So that just
it's like everybody is just selfish.
We are selfish naturally.
So there's nobody to blame them.
Nobody to blame.
Nobody forget.
Now both of them go sit down, analyze them two issues. The woman go talk with him because the truth is, except say one they lie to herself. The woman figure reason why she start all these things.
You dey with this one even good. Not be one we talk about. Now when I see here we talk and when one go my builders finish, when the husband they pay rent.
Yeah,
and now she they collect the rent. That one was. That one are wickedness.
No, that one like big wickedness.
That one are wickedness. So two of them, they know what the woman they selfish, the man they selfish. But the truth is, what to make the woman get to the point of building house, having but that salary,
from 70K to 500K, you never bother
you lie to the man, say you collect 70K.
I must imagine the man every money. Do you need transport? Take
the man go see, and the man feel the thing say, I want to collect 70K. The man feel they give her transport to
buy
the
car, collect loan,
to buy
a car.
You not go blame the man. Baba, you not go blame
for
the man.
To think about
it. For him to think and say, this kind man now, you know.
In as much as I not go advise divorce, they do. I also feel say if you remain in that marriage, violence will happen.
Yes, now they tell you, I not go advise divorce. So the truth is, trust not the.
So indirectly, so not be only adultery they cause divorce now.
No, plenty things.
Adultery they really cause divorce like
adultery. The only time where adultery they cause divorce. Now when the woman wipe. Because no man fit take him. But when the man do,
the fee one.
When I hear of one website, Ashley Madison, we be saying our website where married people feel good they do, just like Tinder.
For Nigeria?
No, for abroad. Now, have you heard of it before? Ashley Madison. Hey!
Anything when consign those people for that side, they know
now like website like Tinder.
Our country is still good though.
But now we disrespect our society.
Our country good, Nigeria good.
So married people go there, hook up another married woman.
But it happen already for Nigeria, Sha.
They do
all this swinging
woman.
Party.
That one now
people they do. Now this you bring your own wife or bring your girlfriend. The person go chop your wife, you chop the person.
That one you know about them.
Yes.
This one
so
is
they
coded.
Do official website.
Like official website.
Yes. Public something.
Yes. Just check them Ashley Madison. Adultery website. You see her.
An adultery website.
Yeah, adultery website.
You see these people. Now with the one copy.
And I don't bring Christianity, can't give us.
Ima don dey shout, give me for one corner, so we dey chop too much of your time. He's already to level.
We go see on Wednesday. God bless you.
Yeah,
what of normal?
Calm down.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.